This Dorian Bennett Sotheby's International Realty property video is presented by Ernesto Caldera. Just off the historic Natchez Trace Parkway, adjacent to the famed Springfield Plantation, Richland lies at the end of a long tree-lined drive leading through gently rolling pastures and wooded areas. It was at nearby Springfield that Andrew Jackson married Rachel Robards in 1791. Richland was built for Robert Cox between 1846 and 1848. Flawlessly preserved, the classic Greek Revival residence is an architectural gem of refined symmetry and simplicity. It has a handsome stucco and brick facade and a sweeping front gallery. In 1992 it underwent a skillful transformation with guidance from the Historic Natchez Foundation, creating the elegant historic home that has been beautifully adapted for modern living while respecting its architectural integrity. The dramatic center hall opens to spacious light-filled double parlors, a library, and a master bedroom suite, all with high ceilings, fireplaces, two vertical panel Greek Revival doors, and bold period moldings. At the end of the hall is the dining room with a dramatic well-appointed kitchen to the right, with French doors leading to an inviting screened-in porch and terrace, and a side staircase leading to 4 upstairs bedrooms, each with a private bathroom. The grounds are largely open pasture, but with excellent hunting and fishing luxuriously provided by woodlands and several ponds. Immediately to the rear of the home is the original kitchen building, now converted to a well-lit office studio and guest apartment. A separate caretaker's cottage is located just inside the property's electronically controlled gate system. Richland affords modern refined elegance in timeless tradition. The magnificent historic estate is an exceptional offering in a region of legendary beauty. For more information, review the details below.